Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop. An interesting job in today, a VW Golf Mk7. Quite a low mileage, is a 2015 registration. The car came in because of an oil leak. Mileage about 30,000 miles. We found quite interesting to see an oil leak at this mileage. And what we have seen, this is the oil cooler. The oil cooler is basically punctured. So the oil cooler is fitted on the engine block just behind the alternator. And we've seen this situation in the past where alternator has been replaced and the bolts, the one from the compressor, aircon compressor, is been swapped by mistake by a garage previously that they've done the job, and the bolt is slightly longer, and because of that you can see the clearance is quite small between the alternator bracket and the oil cooler. Bolt being too long is literally pushing into the housing of the oil cooler, obviously creating a puncture and causing the oil leak. This is very important because as we always say, minor things can lead to big problems. Again, one of our type of jobs in OGS Mechanics workshop.